Yes, ready for dictation. Start. The petitioner has filed this petition for issuance of a writ in the nature of certiorari for quashing the acting of the official respondents to allot the contract of lifting of the damaged wheat contrary to the terms and conditions of the tender notice and by considering the bid of ineligible persons stop passage. The petitioner has averred that when the tenders were floated, it made a bid for the entire stock of wheat and quoted its rates accordingly, but the contract was awarded for different lots and majority of lots were allotted to respondents numbers 3 and 4 who had bid separately for selective lots and did not make any attempt to bid for the entire stock as it had done stop, which was contrary to the terms and conditions of the tender notice stop. The petitioner has further averred that the official respondents cannot compel it to lift the allotted quantity on the quoted rates because the fact that those rates were for the entire stock stop passes. According to the petitioner, it had quoted the average price by taking into consideration the quantity of the entire lots, but the majority of stock was allotted to respondent numbers 3 and 4 and therefore the official respondents are precluded from forcing it to lift the stock of remaining 4 lots at the price quoted because the worst lots had been left for it and it cannot be forced to work at disadvantageous rates simply because it had quoted rates by having legitimate expectation that the entire stock would be allotted to it, that which would have included various categories and quantity of wheat stop passes. In the counter affidavit filed on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 2, it has been stated that there was absolutely no violation of the terms and conditions of the tender notice in awarding the contract, as it was clearly mentioned therein that the tenderer may quote rates for one or more lots of the stock of wheat which were lying in damaged condition in various godowns in the state passes. It has further been contended that the parties were given opportunity to inspect the lots before quoting their rates stop. Out of 19 lots, 18 lots were of feed 3 category and the remaining one was feed 2 category stop. The tenderers were free to quote for any or more lots and even for the entire lots stop. The evaluation was done in a fair CWP number 18278 of 2006 stop over.